Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your server's name on Discord on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app and then log in your account. After that, you want to choose the server that you want to rename or change name. And then after that, just go ahead and click on this drop down arrow at the right side of your server's name and click server settings. And then here you can see server name at the upper part of your screen. So just go ahead and rename that or change name. So careful, you have unsaved changes. So just go ahead and put the server's name that you want, and also you can upload image. If you want to change your icon, just go ahead and click change icon here, and that's how you do it. That's so simple, right? So by the way, just need to click save changes here at the lower part of your screen so that you can make sure that your changes will be saved. So let's go back here. As you can see, the name of this server is now changed. And so that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.